Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Yesterday, I wrote two paragraphs on the blackboard.
Yes, sir.
You were in the lesson Karate teacher.
Yes,
And I told you about those two paragraphs.
sir.
There was a boy called, what was his name?
Rohit.
How old was he? How old was the boy Rohit? How many years did he have? 9 years, very good. How many years he has training? 10. But Rohit had 9 years, he was 9 years old. And his family lived in a small town. He had a father. What was his name? Rajarao. In which company did he work? Ravan Rao company. What was he? What was Rajarao? Was he a teacher? Who was he? He was a clerk. He was a clerk. And tell me the name of Rohin's mother. Janaki. What is Janaki? Yes, she is a homemaker. Sometimes Janaki, she used to be alone when Rohit went to school and Rajarao is in his office. So she wanted to have a pet. She wanted to have a pet. What did she want to have? What did she have? What did she want to have? Pet. Do you know what a pet is, children? Do you know what a pet? Yes, pet is the animal or a bird that we bring it up in our home for our entertainment. So it is called a pet. For example, some people they may have a small puppy, some people may have small kitten. They are all called pet animals. Why? Just we have pet animals at our home for our entertainment should be pleasure. Understood? For that reason, as she used to be alone at home, she wanted to have a pet. And Janaki, she asked Rohit's father, Rajarao, for a pet for several times. But do you think Rajarao brought a pet home? No, he didn't bring any pet. Rajarao, he didn't bring home any pet, though she asked many times. So she was tired, she was exhausted, and finally she decided I should get the pet on my wall. By deciding so, Janaki, she went to a pet shop. Who did she go along to the pet shop? Who did Janaki go along to the pet shop? Rohit. Very good. Rohit and Janaki went to the pet shop. Where is the pet shop, children? Yes, that is on Mahatma Gandhi Road, clock tower, near a clock tower. And someone happily welcomed them into the shop. Who was it? The shopkeeper pleasantly welcomed them into the shop. And Janaki explained her problem to the shopkeeper. Didn't she? Yes. What could her problem be, children? What could Janaki be problem? Yes, she used to be alone at home and she wants to have a pet. It is her problem, isn't it? So, now I tell you about these two paragraphs. You know what? When Janaki explained her problem to the shopkeeper, the young shopkeeper, you know what? The shopkeeper is not an old guy, he is not an old man, but he is a young shopkeeper. You know who is the young? The one who is very strong and very active is called the young. The young shopkeeper advised Janaki to buy a kitten. You know what? To buy a kitten. The young shopkeeper suggested Janaki to get a kitten. Then Janaki said, why a kitten? Kitten. Should I get a kitten? Why? She asked. Madam, It's because it's special. This kitten is special. The young shopkeeper said, huh? Special. What is special about the kitten?
Karate.
Janaki surprised. She was surprised. She asked, what is special about the kitten? Then he said, it's a karate kitten. It's a karate kitten. Do you know what is a karate, children?
No.
Do you know what karate is? Yes, karate is one of the fighting styles in the world. We also call it martial arts. Martial arts. The one who is perfect in karate is very active. Understood? And he said, when Janaki asked him what is special about the kitten, he said, it's a karate kitten trained in Japan. Ma'am, this karate kitten trained in Japan, ma'am, it is the only karate kitten in India. What's our country? What's our country? Is our country Telangana?
No. Japan.
Our country. India. Telangana is our state. Japan is a country. But India is our country. So here he said, it is the only karate kitten in India, ma'am. So I advise you to get the pet. To get the kitten. He said, what does it do? Rohit asked curiously. Huh? Karate kitten? What does it do? Rohit asked curiously. You know what curiously? For example, if your father comes to your home from another village, if he brings something in his bag, how do you feel? You try to see what is there inside the bag. Don't you try? So it is nothing but curiosity. So here, Rohit asked, what does the karate kitten do? He said, the shopkeeper said, karate. The karate kitten does karate. You know what? Karate. It will give you a lot of entertainment. Then the young shopkeeper said that the karate kitten gives a lot of entertainment. Rohit and his mother Janaki shouted at once, how? Karate? Does this kitten do karate? They were surprised. And did you understand? Did you understand, children? In our next class, I tell you whether Janaki buy this karate kitten or not. Okay?
Yes.
I don't have